All right, so another problem type that we'll be doing in this section is giving information about the circle when we do not have it in that HK form. So the formula that from the very beginning was r squared is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. So if you have it in this form, you can just pluck out the h and the k and the r and you're done, right? If, however, it's given to you in this form, x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 6y equals 26, that's not in the right form. What I need is x stuff squared plus y stuff squared. That's what I need for the standard form of the circle. So in order to do that, we're going to complete the square. So remember from the last chapter, we were using completing the square for solving equations, and I told you guys it's not that I think solving them this way is that good, it's but that the technique of completing the square is going to come back. Here's where it's coming back. So I'm going to have to complete the square in both x and y in order to do that this problem. All right, so to do that, I'm going to put the x's next to each other and the y's next to each other, and that's purely so it's easy to see what's being completed. All right, so x squared plus 2x plus y squared plus 6y is 26. So I have to find b, half b, and half b squared for the x's, and I also have to find b, half b squared for the y's, because I want to complete the square for both of them. So for x squared plus 2x, the b here is 2, half b is 1, half b squared is 1. For y squared plus 6y, b is 6, half b is 3, half b squared is 9. So what that means is I'm going to have, I should put parentheses around these. I'm going to have x squared plus 2x plus 1. So I'm going to add 1 to the x's so that I complete the square in x. If I add it on the left, I need to add it on the right. And for the y's, I'm going to add 9. And since I add it on the left, I'm going to add it on the right. All right, great. So this is 36. Now I'm going to factor each of these. Two numbers that multiply to 1 but add to 2 would be 1 and 1. Two numbers that add to 9, multiply to 9 and add to 6 would be 3 and 3. So I get this. This is my standard form. X plus 1 quantity squared plus y plus 3 quantity squared equals 36. So remember, it's x minus h, y minus k, and r. Right? That's my form. So the problem asked for the center and radius. The center is hk. The radius is r. The center is hk. So here I have x plus 1, which means I'm subtracting -1. Plus 3 means I'm subtracting 3. So my center is -1, -3. My radius, so over here I have r squared, so 36 is 6 squared, so my r is 6. Now you can graph this if you are asked to do so.